Namaste. Welcome to Namaste Hindi. I'm Prerna Khandelwal, born and raised in India. I am a native Hindi speaker and I've made these videos so you can begin to learn Hindi an easy way. Today we are gonna learn about negative sentences in simple present tense. In our previous videos, we learned all these subjects in Hindi plus their verb ending for present simple tense. We have also learned how to make affirmative sentences. For example, you eat pasta. In Hindi is आप पास्ता खाते हैं. Today we will learn negative sentences. Negative sentence structure. Structure in English, subject plus do or does according to the subject, plus not, plus verb, plus object. Sentence in English, you don't eat pasta. Structure in Hindi, subject plus object plus nahi plus verb. So the sentence in Hindi would be आप पास्ता नहीं खाते हैं. Let's understand this in a simpler way. You eat pasta. In Hindi, it would be आप पास्ता खाते हैं. Now the negative sentence, you don't eat pasta. In Hindi, आप पास्ता नहीं खाते हैं. We just need to put nahi before the verb. Sentence in English, you work. In Hindi would be आप काम करते हैं. There are some verbs in Hindi that have two words like to work, काम करना. In that case, we need to put nahi after काम and before karna because karna is a main verb that we are changing. So if you are saying you don't work, in Hindi it's आप काम नहीं करते हैं. Here is an interesting fact. In Hindi, no and not are the same. No, nahi. Not, nahi. You can spell it N-A-H-I or N-H-I. Either way is fine as long as you are pronouncing it nahi. Yes in Hindi is ha. We will do the ha sentences in our next video. So if you are saying no, you don't work, in Hindi you would say नहीं आप काम नहीं करते हैं. In Hindi we say nahi two times. First for no and second for not. Let's understand this with the structures. Structure in English, no, subject plus do or does plus not plus verb plus object. Sentence in English, no you don't work. Structure in Hindi, nahi, subject plus object plus nahi plus verb. Sentence in Hindi, नहीं आप काम नहीं करते हैं. Negative sentences with I. So if you are saying no I don't eat cake, in Hindi a female would say नहीं मैं केक नहीं खाती हूँ.
I male. नहीं, मैं केक नहीं खाता हूँ.
In Hindi we are saying nahi twice. First for no and second for not. I negative sentences for advanced level. Sometimes while answering a question in English, we drop the verb and object. For example, if someone asks you, do you eat cake? You can say, no, I don't. Or, no, I don't eat it. In Hindi, you can drop the object but not the verb. So in Hindi, you would say, नहीं, मैं नहीं खाती हूँ.
I male. नहीं, मैं नहीं खाता हूँ.
You can also drop हूँ or है for negative sentences. For example, नहीं मैं नहीं खाती.
नहीं, मैं नहीं खाता हूँ.
You can also say मैं नहीं खाती.
मैं नहीं खाता.
If you are a beginner, please say the full sentences. It will help you in learning structure and the verb endings. She formal negative sentences. If the sentence doesn't have an object, such as she doesn't sing. In Hindi, we can either say वो नहीं गाती है with nahi before the verb, just like we did in our previous slides. Or we can say वो गाती नहीं है with nahi before the auxiliary verb है. Either way is fine, but option 1 is more common and sounds more correct. Let's make more negative sentences with different subjects.
He doesn't go to the store. वो दुकान नहीं जाते हैं.
They don't play football. In Hindi would be वो फुटबॉल नहीं खेलते हैं और वे फुटबॉल नहीं खेलते हैं. In English, we don't watch TV. In Hindi would be हम टीवी नहीं देखते हैं.
Question and answer.
सवाल और जवाब.
Try to fill in the question marks on screen to see how much you've learned.
I don't eat bread. मैं ब्रेड नहीं खाती हूँ. I don't drink soda. मैं सोडा नहीं पीती हूँ. I don't go to school. मैं स्कूल नहीं जाती हूँ. I don't play the piano. मैं पियानो नहीं बजाती हूँ.
I. Male negative sentences. I don't eat bread. मैं ब्रेड नहीं खाता हूँ. I don't drink soda. मैं सोडा नहीं पीता हूँ. I don't go to school. मैं स्कूल नहीं जाता हूँ. I don't play the piano. मैं पियानो नहीं बजाता हूँ.
They don't eat it. वो नहीं खाते हैं. They don't drink coffee. वो कॉफी नहीं पीते हैं. We don't go. हम नहीं जाते हैं. We don't play soccer. हम सॉकर नहीं खेलते हैं. Prerna's pointers. Can you answer the questions on the next slide? Let's see how well you have understood. Leave a comment below if you want me to check your answers or if you have any questions at all. Going forward, try to make negative sentences with different subjects using different verbs in Hindi, and you will be amazed how quickly you are able to express yourself in Hindi. Formal she and he sentences. She doesn't speak English. She doesn't make cake. He doesn't sing. He doesn't play video games. The next video of this series is question sentences.
And that's all the practice for today. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Namaste.